Hello everyone, myself Sumit Kumar Srivastav, and today we are going to derive the formula for time period of simple pendulum by dimensional formula. Okay, so we know that the time period of simple pendulum mainly depend upon three things. First is mass of bob, that is small n physical quantity. Second, length of pendulum, which is small l, and acceleration due to gravity at that place where pendulum is placed. Okay, so this is G. So overall you can write time period small t is equal to constant k into m to the power x, l to the power y, and g to the power z. Okay, m, l, g, t, these are the physical quantity. Okay, so for time period, dimension is given by capital T. For mass, dimension is given by capital M to the power x. For length, capital L to the power y, and last one g. It is the acceleration. For acceleration, dimension is given by L t minus 2 to the power z. Okay, also here you can write m0 l0 t, because m to the power 0 is equal to 1, l to the power 0 is equal to 1, so overall it is t. Here this is constant k, m to the power x, here l to the power y, and here l to the power z, both are in multiplication, so in power it will be in addition, l to the power y plus z. Okay, and last one is t to the power minus 2z. Okay, so after this, by comparing the both side, we will get for m, here m to the power 0, and here m to the power x. So overall x is equal to 0. Here l to the power 0, here l to the power y plus z. So y plus z is equal to 0. And last one, here to the power 1, and here to the power minus 2z. So minus 2z is equal to 1. Overall z is equal to minus 1 by 2. Okay, so after putting the value of z here in this equation, we are going to get y is equal to 1 by 2. Okay, so finally we know the all three values: x is equal to 0, y is equal to 1 by 2, and z is equal to minus 1 by 2. So after putting the all these three values in equation first, so here what we are going to get: time period t is equal to k constant, m to the power x, and value of x is 0, m to the power 0. For l to the power y, so value of y is 1 by 2. Okay, and last one is g to the power z, and for value of z is minus 1 by 2. Okay, so overall time period t is equal to k, m to the power 0 is equal to 1, L to the power 1 by 2. This is minus, so this will go to the downside. G to the power 1 2. Overall, T is equal to K root L by G. This is the formula for temperate of simple pendulum. Here, this constant K cannot be determined by dimensional formula. Okay, this is the limitation of dimensional formula.